Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your notifications as an admin in aNewSpring. Let's dive right in and keep your learners engaged and on track. As an admin, you can activate subscribers, nudge learners to complete activities, and remind them of expiring subscriptions. So let's begin. To start, navigate to the course template and select Edit. Then head over to the Notifications tab. Now let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Creating a notification. Click on the plus notification button and give it a name that makes it easy to identify. Below the name, you can enable and disable the notification status. If learners receive a notification, you can also notify instructors. The instructor will get the same email with an explanation. Remember, only instructors with the notification checkbox enabled in the course settings will receive a copy, and you can activate or deactivate this notification at any time. Step 2. Choosing the condition. It's best to start here so you can tailor the notification text accordingly. Click on the plus condition button. Here you can choose from several conditions. These conditions are based on subscriptions and the status of activities. These conditions lay out the rules for managing course subscriptions and keeping learners engaged. They cover everything from when access expires based on timeframes or specific dates to when it ends after completing certain activities within a certain time. Plus, they make sure to cut off access if activities aren't tackled within a set period since a learner signs up or starts the course. They even consider if a learner goes MIA, pausing access if there's been no action within a certain time since signing up or starting. For extra convenience, they allow access to kick off or wrap up on particular dates, making the whole process smoother for both admins and learners alike. Once you have selected a condition, it is as simple as completing the missing fields. If you want to send multiple reminders, set up separate notifications for each time frame. Step 3. Choosing the language. You can set notifications in multiple languages. Learners will receive them in the language their account is set to. If the notification isn't available in their language, it'll be sent in the available language. Step 5. Setting up a course completing activity. If you're sending notifications based on inactivity, you'll want to prevent learners who've already finished from getting them. You can do this by setting up a course completion activity. This tells the system that the course is completed. Head to the Template Settings tab and then to Advanced Settings to find this option. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively manage notifications to keep your learners engaged and progressing on your platform. Thank you so much for watching. There are more aNewSpring and tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations for a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.